Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to 1 versus 1 in Clash Royale. To truly dominate, you must first grasp the fundamental principles of the game. This includes understanding elixir management, knowing your card cycle, and identifying your opponent's primary win condition. These core concepts are the bedrock upon which all advanced strategies are built, setting you up for consistent victories and helping you climb the ladder. Effective elixir management is crucial for success. Avoid spending more than 4 elixir on defense if possible, aiming for positive elixir trades. Pay close attention to your opponent's card rotation, noting when their powerful cards are out of cycle. This allows you to anticipate their next moves and save your crucial counter cards for their primary offensive pushes, maximizing your defensive efficiency. After a successful defense, immediately transition into a counter push, leveraging your surviving troops and remaining elixir. Apply consistent pressure to your opponent's towers, forcing them to spend elixir defensively and preventing them from building large pushes. Always aim to defend with the fewest possible elixir, ideally achieving a positive elixir trade of at least 1 or 2 elixir. Adaptability is key to victory. Continuously analyze your opponent's deck and adjust your strategy accordingly, identifying their weaknesses. Capitalize on any mistakes they make, such as overcommitting elixir or misplacing troops, to gain a significant advantage. Finally, maintain a calm and focused mindset throughout the entire match, even when facing intense pressure, to make optimal decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.